Hello and welcome to Motormatch Stockport. My name is Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this fantastic Toyota Prius 1.8 VVTH 8.8 kilowatt hour XL. Now this vehicle has currently done 35,683 miles and it's finished in the colour Super White. If you'd like more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. And now let's take a look around the vehicle here, starting at the front. You do have your very stylish LED headlights that complement the vehicle very nicely. The contrasting black front grille there. Moving around to the side now, you will find the 15-inch alloy wheels with the two-tone colour effect. Your plug-in hybrid badging there on the side. You do have your indicator integrated into the door mirror as well. Take a look inside to the rear of the vehicle. You do have your black leather interior. It's very easy to keep clean. You can wipe it down very easily. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seat, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. There's a power armrest area in the middle seat with two cup holders, and overall you do have a nice amount of space here for rear passengers to travel comfortably. Heading round to the rear of the vehicle now, you have your Prius plug-in hybrid badge in there on the tailgate. Open up the boot. You can see you do have a very nice amount of boot space there. You can also see your charging cable there to charge the vehicle up. You've got your load cover there to keep your items protected. There's some additional storage in the compartment up at the front here. Up top you will find a handle allowing you to easily close the tailgate. Moving around now, you can see the port there where you can plug in to charge the hybrid system. Take a look inside to the front now. You've got keyless entry and go, making access to the vehicle super easy. Inside you'll find your leather multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. You do have an armrest there in the centre console as well, so you can travel comfortably and store things in there. And now that we've had a look around, I'm now going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this Toyota Prius has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you will find your electric mirror adjustments that include folding. Now with the folding you can quickly fold the mirrors in and keep them nice protected, which is super handy, for example when parking on narrow roads. It should prevent them from being knocked off by other road users. Your door locks there along with your window locks. You do have your full electric windows there for the front and rear windows. Here on the dashboard now you'll find your button for the park assist feature. Setting this up, you can select the type of space you wish to enter and park up. Do have your heads-up display button there as well. You can see your heads-up display here. Very nice touch to have. You can see the speed limit and your eco monitor on there. Means you don't have to take your eyes off the road to check information regarding the vehicle. You do have your automatic wipers and there are also automatic headlights as well. So when set to auto, you don't have to worry about turning them on. They will turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road and not lose concentration. You can see your indicator stalk there. Here to the right now you have your controls for the display here up at the top of the dashboard. Next to your digital speedometer and your trip display with your mileage and your average miles to the gallon. You can also access additional displays as well, including some vehicle settings. You do have your parking sensors. You also have your blind spot monitoring. You have an indicator on the door mirror which will alert you when there's a vehicle or object in your blind spot, so you can be cautious when manoeuvring. You can also access other features as well, such as your traffic sign recognition. You can see trip information on there, even access your navigation and audio. You've got your lane departure warning on and off there. Below here you do have your radar cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys, as it means you don't have to keep your foot hard on the accelerator the whole time, allowing you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less straining your foot. With the radar feature, you can set up a distance that the vehicle will keep you from vehicles ahead, automatically slowing you down and speeding you back up when it's safe to do so. Here to the left, you've got controls for your infotainment system. Here in the centre, you can see your touchscreen infotainment system. You do have access to DAB radio. With your DAB, you've got nice clear audio quality as it's digital. So if you love listening to the radio, you can enjoy it nice and clearly. Or alternatively, you can connect your own source of audio with your USB, Bluetooth, and also auxiliary input. It's all played through the JBL sound system that you'll find throughout the interior with speakers scattered around. You do have your navigation here, so you can be sure you're never lost and can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. It's very nice, clear, easy to follow guidance with the nice vibrant colour display. Moving on now, you do have your Bluetooth telephone menu here where you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, keeping you up to date with whatever you need to and ensuring you don't miss any important phone calls while you're driving. It's very easy to pair your device up here. You also have access to your apps. You do have MirrorLink, which you can use with a Wi-Fi connection and USB connectivity. keeping you connected with your smartphone. You can also download applications from the eStore for the vehicle. Moving on now, you do have your information here. You can see the energy monitor. You can see how much charge you have in the hybrid system as well. You can also see the power being sent to your battery. You can also see trip information on there as well. Now this Prius does come equipped with the rear camera as well, along with parking sensors to make parking super easy. Along with your park assist as well, it's super easy to park this Prius. Moving down below now, you do have your dual zone climate control that allows the driver and passenger to make their own preferred temperature choices for their side of the vehicle, preventing any arguments on being too hot or too cold. You can see your digital display there with all of your climate information. Pressing the dual button there will light up in green, showing you it's activated. You can pick the temperature from either side. Turn this off will sync up to have the same temperature. You do have your automatic feature as well, which automatically adjusts the climate control for you. There's buttons for defrosting the front and rear windscreen as well. You even have your electric mode. You can enter into full EV mode if you have enough charge in the battery. You also have your driving modes here with your normal, power mode and your eco mode. So you can change how the vehicle performs and handles. And also with the hybrid system. Down below here you do have your wireless phone charger, which is a very handy touch to have. You can just chuck your compatible device on there and it will automatically start charging without you having to plug anything in. You do have your heated front seats here with 2 different temperature options to keep you nice and warm on those colder days. Thanks for watching this video on the Toyota Prius 1.8 VVTH 8.8 kWh XL. This vehicle is part of the Motormatch promise that includes a minimum 30-day or a 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motormatch vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.